Hello everyone. Okay, so for today, actually, I'm going to discuss with you, explain more about the brochure assignment. Okay, so let's look at the guidelines that I've shared, okay, in our Telegram group. Okay, so as you can see here, you have formed the groups of 4 to 5 members. Okay, and then some of the groups, okay, have already discussed with me regarding the topic, okay, whether you are doing on a product or service or just an idea. Okay, so and some of the topics I have approved. Okay, so you may now work on the contents. But before you work on the contents, okay, you must at least, okay, find two references. Okay, two references, um, whether hard copy or digital from internet to support your views, to support for the content. Okay, yeah. So basically, if you are doing on product or service or idea or event, okay, first of all, you must have the name. The name must be catchy, not too long, okay, interesting enough or attractive enough. All right. And then the functions of the product or the service. Okay, what is it for? Even for the idea, what is it for? Then you must explain in paragraph and not in point form. Must be elaborated using paragraph forms. Okay, and then the product specification. Okay, everything must be in paragraph. Okay, in paragraph forms and not to use like bullet, numbering and so on. Okay, and how to operate. Okay, how does the thing, function. All right, and then even for service, okay, uh, what uh what do you offer there? Okay, service, and then your target group, potential customer. Okay, it must be described or explained in paragraph form again. Okay, relevant images, pictures. All right, bear in mind that the picture must not outweigh the words. You must have 70% of words, then only you can have like 20 to 30% of pictures. Okay, all right, and then the price, contact number, warranty. Okay, testimonies. For testimonies, then you can have like few testimonies. Okay, maybe 2 to 3 people talking about the effectiveness of the product, or the service, how good it is and so on, their experience. Okay, you can actually create this, of course, and then the special features of the product or any special, like thing, um, maybe prizes, for example, or complimentary, gift for those who actually hire you or who book for your service, or event. And then any other applicable features of promotion. Okay, contents of brochure, okay, may vary according to product, service or idea, because some of the content may be applicable for product but not for service or idea. So you discuss with your friends. Okay, all right, so you must use persuasive language, and aim to convince your audience, your readers, those who read your brochure. Okay, and then yes, at least 2 references, right, and include relevant graphics, okay, or audio materials to make your brochure more interesting. Okay, maybe the link Okay, and then maybe I don't know, you want to show pictures of graph or something like that, then you can do so. Okay, the number of words in the brochure is about 800 words. Okay, so try to get as maximum as you can the number of words. Okay, of course I will check, um, and that's why I ask you not to have more pictures compared to the words. The brochure can be either in printed or digital form. Okay, for example, using Flipbook, PDF, Google Docs, etc. Okay, use suitable applications to create the brochure. For example, Microsoft Office Publisher, Canva, and many more. Alright, there are free templates available online, so you may choose which one that you think easier for you. Okay, if you want to send to me via digital form, alright, so let me know. Okay, I don't make it compulsory for you to print it, so you may send to me using digital form. I think it's easier for me too. Less contact, and less paper. Okay, so I will assess you based on, okay, the task fulfillment, the content, whether you have more words or more pictures. Okay, and then the language and organization. Do you use a suitable language, okay, to convince your reader, okay, to buy the product or to book your service? Okay, uh, and also lifelong learning. Lifelong learning is the use of the references from the internet. Okay, so this is the sample flipbook. Okay, so you see here. Alright, so what to do? This is about, I think, like trip to Japan. Okay, so what to do in Japan? So number one, you see, the description, on what to do is number one, observe cherry blossom. So in paragraph form. Okay, explain. Number two, eat sushi. Number three, geisha hunting. Okay, so example one, if you are using reference from internet, so see here. Alright, so this is how you cite the reference. Specific statement, for example. Okay, and then, alright, still talking about maybe Japan, trip to Japan. Okay, so the culture festival in Japan. Alright, you see pictures, okay, relevant pictures. And then again, the citation or reference. Okay. And then, yes, references. This is how you write your references. Okay. And then next. Okay, caring for community cats. You see? Okay. It must be written in, by the way, yes, must be written in what we call sentences and short paragraph if possible. Like this one. You can have like bullet form, but not for every single what we call subtopic that you have in your brochure. Okay, you see here the explanation about community cats. Okay, so again, when you use the statement from your reading article from the internet, you must cite the reference. This is how you write your reference. You cite, okay, the specific statement that you take from the article. Okay, alright. So something like this. So again, this is how you write references. Okay, and that's it. Okay, so if you want to send to me using the detailed form, okay, the first page should be, your name, okay, your group member's name, class, and also the title of the brochure. Okay, and then only you can, the second page, then you attach the first page of your brochure, and then third page should be the second, maybe the next page of your brochure, something like that. Okay, so if you have any question, okay, you may ask me later, but please, you can find, I think, more samples from internet. Alright, try to minimize the use of picture. Even if you have the pictures, okay, the explanation must be longer than the pictures, of course. Okay, so I think that's all. For those who haven't discussed with me, yeah, your topic, and I haven't approved, you may do so as soon as possible, because you must work according to the timeline that I have shared before. Okay, so I think that's all. You may now work, okay, with your group members, okay, and don't forget to submit to me. I think in week 3, 4, 5, week 6, okay. All right. So I guess that's all for today. Okay. Thank you, everyone. See you again next time.